Positive Train Control, or PTC, is a nationwide rail safety system designed to prevent certain types of human factor-caused errors. These include head-on collisions, overspeeding, and trains moving through a misaligned switch and heading into an occupied siding or industrial track. Federal law required PTC to be fully implemented by the end of 2020 on mainline routes used for passenger service and on freight routes carrying certain hazardous materials. Freight railroads began developing PTC-type systems long before they were required, and once the mandate arrived, they partnered with suppliers to create a single, interoperable system that met federal standards. Here's how PTC works. Onboard computers, GPS, trackside equipment, and secure communications continuously track where trains are, how fast they're moving. The system constantly compares that information to safety limits, like speed restrictions, switch positions, and active track maintenance zones. The locomotive engineer remains in control while PTC monitors conditions in the background. If a train approaches a speed or movement limit, PTC issues an onboard warning. If the engineer doesn't respond in time, PTC automatically applies the brakes, stopping the train before an accident can occur. The data and communications behind PTC also create a digital foundation for future rail technologies, supporting even greater safety, capacity, fuel, and emission reductions. By backing advanced technology with skilled crews, PTC adds another powerful layer of protection across the rail network.